Hello everyone! I'm thrilled to show you the Trinity stitch today. It's kind of the simpler cousin of the star stitch tutorial that I recently did. So if you found that one tricky, this is a little bit easier, but it still has a beautiful texture for almost any project. Start with an even number of chains, skip the first chain, and in the second chain, work one single crochet. Then in each of the next 3 chains, insert your hook and pull up a loop. With 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Then chain 1 to close your Trinity stitch. Into the same chain where you pulled up the 4th loop of your previous Trinity stitch, insert your hook and pull up a loop. Then insert your hook and pull up a loop in each of the next 2 chains as well. Again, we'll have 4 loops on our hook and we can yarn over and pull through 4 and chain 1. I'll show you that one more time. Continue to the end of the row. And you should have 1 chain remaining. Don't chain 1 to close the last Trinity stitch. Just work 1 single crochet into the final chain. Now, the Trinity stitch is a 1 row repeat. To repeat the stitch, chain 1 and turn your work. Work 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Then insert and pull up a loop in each of the next 3 stitches. To get 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops and chain 1. Again, pull up 3 loops, making sure to start by working into the same stitch where your previous Trinity stitch ended. And complete the row with that last Trinity stitch without chaining, but rather a single crochet in the last stitch. And once you've mastered this 1 row repeat, you can create beautiful textured pieces of any length and enjoy creating this wonderful stitch.